In this tutorial, I will teach you how to pass your LinkedIn skill assessment using ChatGPT, step by step. In previous video, I tried JavaScript assessment and got it into top 15%. So, you need 3 things. 1. LinkedIn account. 2. ChatGPT account. 3. Computer with code editor and Python. But there is one problem. Copy or select is blocked on LinkedIn skill assessment page. So we have to read questions and options and then type it into ChatGPT. Which is boring and slow. Don't forget that 90-second time limit. So what's the solution? Solution. We will use Python to scrape questions and options and paste it into ChatGPT. Let's start process. Step 1. Create account on OpenAI for ChatGPT. Go to chat and just type. I will ask question and give 4 options. Can you reply with right answer? This will inform our bot how to approach our query and how to reply. Step 2. Install Python and pip. Then install beautifulsoup module using command pip install beautifulsoup. Step 3. Go to LinkedIn assessment page and then open developer tool. I'm taking a JavaScript test, you can take any other test. Keep this open like this. Find section tag. Our question statement and 4 options are inside this section element. So right-click and edit as HTML. Now copy this code using Ctrl+A and Ctrl+C. Step 4. Go to VS Code. Create a template HTML file and name it index.html. Paste your code inside body of this HTML file. So we can raid this code with Python. Also create 2 empty files and name it file.txt and temp.txt file. Step 5. This is Python code to read our index.html file and then parse data using beautifulsoup and write all the text into file.txt file. Quick explanation of this code. First we will open and read index.html file and save all data into content variable. Then this code will parse this data using beautifulsoup and get the text value and store IR in data variable. Then this code will write this data into temp.txt file. This will contain lots of blank lines which is hard to read. Then this code will read temp.txt and remove all blank lines from it and save text into file.txt. That's it. Now open file.html. That's how it looks. One more thing, every time we run app.py it will delete both text files and create new blank files. So we don't have to do it manually. Code is available on GitHub page and link is in the description. Step 6. Copy questions and options from file.txt file and paste it into ChatGPT. Wait for reply. And then based on reply, you can choose option. Repeat this process 15 times. And you will end up in top 15%. I hope this will help you pass some skill test and improve your LinkedIn profile value. For me, I don't believe in certification.so. I created new profile on LinkedIn and used ChatGPT to take the test. If you have any questions, then ask in comment.